I got my cameras and I want to go down to the edge. I want to be careful where I walk and take some video. I'm not going to drop these cameras in. Both these are not waterproof, but the atto is. If I had my lanyard strap or a rope, I would have tossed it out so you could see what's in there. I can see rocks. I don't see fish, but let's go grab a shot. Turn the camera on. I always got it facing towards me and difficult for me to see the screen. And there we go. Now you get to see what both cameras look like. May not be a fair shot if asked. For the reasons of, I'm looking down on one. I gotta turn my head up and hoping I got the right angle. And if you can see what I see through the screen, I can't see. My glasses make this look difficult. But we got a duck out there and he's got to go under in a few seconds. Enjoy your Xtra, atto, and muse. I gotta go figure things out, set things back up. It's always a challenge with cameras. I'm not gonna guess where my camera's looking at, not at all. Well, that's what I just climbed down. I see a dead bird again. There's a whole bunch of dead birds. I normally climb on this rock right here, and then I step on up, and off I go.